Hi, I'm Carla from Masters College. I'm going to show you how to do a critical reasoning exercise for the GMAT. So this is our exercise. The first step is to identify the question based on how it's worded. Here it says, which of the following must be studied in order to evaluate the recommendation made in the argument? This wording lets us know that it's an evaluate question. The next step is to deconstruct the argument. It says food allergies account for more than 30,000 emergency room visits each year. Often victims of these episodes are completely unaware of their allergies until they experience a major reaction. Studies show that 90% of food allergy reactions are caused by only 8 distinct foods. So up until this point, we're only being given facts. Then it says, for this reason, individuals should sample a minuscule portion of each of these foods to determine whether a particular food allergy is present. This last part would be our conclusion based on the facts stated prior. So the next step is to state the goal. Since we're dealing with an evaluate question, we have to realize that evaluate questions have to result in a two-way path, meaning that depending on what answer choice you pick, you have to make sure that one outcome strengthens and one outcome weakens. So we're basically trying to determine if this conclusion is valid, and we have to also realize that they're assuming that we can tell from a tiny bit of food that we're allergic, and also that it's not harmful to try this tiny bit of food that we might be allergic to. So the next step is to eliminate. A says the percentage of allergy victims who are not aware of the allergy before a major episode. Knowing the exact percentage doesn't change our argument, so I'm going to eliminate A. The percentage of the population that is at risk for allergic reactions, this again doesn't affect our recommendation. It's not even focused on food allergies specifically, so I'm going to eliminate B. Whether some of the 8 foods are common ingredients used in cooking, this has no effect on our conclusion, so I'm going to get rid of C. Whether an allergy to one type of food makes someone more likely to be allergic to other types of food, this doesn't have the alternate outcomes that we're looking for and doesn't really affect what we want it to affect, so D can go away as well, leaving us with whether ingesting a very small amount of an allergen is sufficient to provoke an allergic reaction in a susceptible individual. In this case, if it's yes, then our recommendation is valid, but if it's no, then the author's plan is no good, meaning that this last one would be our best bet in terms of evaluating the argument. So that is it. Thank you. Bye.